run that back, man. We gotta turn up the fucking right way. We can't do it nothing other than perfect. Fucking talk about. Run that shit back, man, the right way. Come on. Pop the fuck up. I ain't gonna do y'all like that, man. We gonna turn up for real. I need some more space right now. Calling me gritty. I call it I'm talking that different. I'm fucking all this out and popping it gritty. I'm taking this thing and it's cause last time we fuck what I did and fuck all the difference. I'm trying to keep you and your kid in your day. I keep to the judge and fuck what you talking and fuck what you saying. I'm smoking it, yeah. Keep bringing me city. I'm one of these enemies. I'm feeling the test every time. I'm feeling this stuff, I'm ride. I'm happy it's for you and mine. I came out the zoo with the guys. I slept in the woods with the guys. Okay, get out the way when they come. I couldn't hop through it. I just did a week in jail and I caught me 3 new bitches. Before I looked up for the gun, bitch, I was gripped by dream. Oh God, I had $1 million stashed away in a spot on the west side. Okay, I wouldn't throw the whole car stickers on the tips and all of the times. I gave $1 million to my dog, now nigga worldwide. Yeah, I ain't got a condo worldwide. Yeah, I'm plugging diamonds on the, yeah. Came from clicking 1, 2, 3, 4. Walking the sky like a mannequin, yeah. That was just like mannequin, yeah. Like a vision, mannequin, jumping, yeah. It's like killing the cat, it's killing the chicken, and right it up. I got the 2, and you get jacks. I told that bitch to go swallow my kids, cause I don't even wanna have no. It's me and Doug and we rule the planet. Why? Cause we going harder than kids. Money all in the